Tonight, though, a unique perspective from a former homeowner choosing to rent rather than capitalizing on their home equity.
WCNC Charlotte's Jane Monreal is showing us why a Charlotte woman decided to exchange her deed for a lease.
Bernadette Joy is the 8th of 9 children born in New York to first-generation Filipinos. After getting a good education, then getting married, following the American dream led her on a visit to the Queen City.
We're like, wow, it's so clean here, and people keep calling me ma'am.
And so Joy and her husband moved from the Big Apple.
We were like, oh, the prices seem so reasonable here. Like, I can't even find a studio apartment for the cost of a home here.
The pursuit of happiness continued with both landing good jobs. Then their first home for just over $100,000. They put an offer on a second house.
Let's see what happens, like not expecting that we would actually get it.
They got it. That began their real estate portfolio, one they have since closed the chapter on.
In the last couple of years, we decided to sell all of our property and go back to renting, which sounds crazy.
They're now renting a 1,200 square foot 2-bedroom apartment for $2,500 a month. They were spending $3,400 a month on their 4-bedroom house, including maintenance. They also kept a contingency fund for unexpected issues. Now they don't have to, as those issues go to the property manager. Sure, the old home was bigger, but instead of DIY projects on the weekend,
We spend no time at Home Depot or Lowe's anymore.
they're closer to the action.
And we go to a lot of concerts, which are all 5 minutes away from where we live now.
But what about not taking advantage of potential appreciation? After all, the Charlotte real estate market is booming. They've got that covered too. Joy says their investment portfolio is just a lot more diversified now, still with their eyes on the prize, retirement. For now, she says flexibility is priceless.
When I was owning a home, I'd often have sometimes neighbors come by and casually say like, oh, your grass is a little high today, or, like, are you going to fix that thing, like on your facade or whatever. And I'm like, sorry, I was in Korea for 4 weeks.
Well, Joy says she doesn't have anything against home ownership, and at some point they will settle down again. But for now, Joy and her husband say renting an apartment the size that they need in an ideal location and within their means allows them to focus on their own business venture and a lot more traveling. And it is